Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to explore how volume changes when we resize an object. We will look specifically at the volume ratio and understand why it is related to the cube of the scale factor. First, let's quickly review the basics. The scale factor, often written as the letter K, is simply a multiplier. It tells us how much larger or smaller one object is compared to another in terms of length. If shape B is twice as tall as shape A, then our scale factor K is 2. You might remember that for area, the rule is different. Because area is two-dimensional, involving both length and width, if we double the length, the area quadruples. The area ratio is the square of the scale factor, or K squared. Now, for 3D objects, we add a third dimension, height. This changes the rule again. When the linear dimensions of a 3D object are multiplied by a scale factor K, the volume is multiplied by K cubed. That means K times K times K. Let's see this in action. Here we have a small cube with a side length of 1. If we double the side length to 2, meaning K equals 2, the new cube isn't just twice as big in volume. It actually holds 8 of the smaller cubes. 2 cubed equals 8. What if we triple the size? Here, the scale factor K is 3. If you look closely, a 3 by 3 by 3 cube holds 27 small unit cubes. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 equals 27. The volume grows much faster than the length. So, here is the general formula you can use for any similar shapes. The ratio of their volumes is equal to the ratio of their corresponding lengths, raised to the power of 3. In short, the volume ratio equals K cubed. Let's try an example. Suppose we have a small box with a length of 2 centimeters and a larger similar box with a length of 6 centimeters. First, we find K by dividing 6 by 2, which gives us 3. Then, we cube 3 to get 27. The large box has 27 times the volume of the small one. It is important to remember that this rule is not just for cubes. It applies to all similar three-dimensional shapes, like cylinders, spheres, or pyramids. For instance, if you double the radius of a cylinder, its volume will increase by a factor of 8. Sometimes you might need to work backwards. Imagine you know a large bottle holds 64 times more water than a small one. The volume ratio is 64. To find the scale factor K, we take the cube root of 64, which is 4. The large bottle is 4 times taller. To wrap up, remember these 3 simple rules. For length, the ratio is K for area, the ratio is K squared. And for volume, the ratio is K cubed. Keeping these straight is the key to mastering similarity and scaling.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.